Is it bad to nap after eating? If you've ever felt the urge to take a nap after a big meal, you're not alone. But is it a good idea, or could it be harmful? Let's break it down. First, let's talk about why people often feel sleepy after eating. It's partly because of the food you eat. Foods rich in carbohydrates and tryptophan, like spinach or chicken, can increase serotonin levels in your brain, which can then convert to melatonin, the sleep hormone. This natural process can make you feel tired after a meal. Now, about napping after eating, it's not entirely bad, but there are some guidelines to follow. A short nap, typically between 20 to 30 minutes, can be very beneficial. It can boost your memory, cognitive abilities, and even help with problem solving. This is especially common in cultures like Spain and Latin America, where a siesta after lunch is a tradition. To do it right, you should nap when your energy levels dip, usually between 12:30 and 2 p.m. Make sure you're in a quiet, cool, and dark place, and avoid using gadgets before napping because the blue light can interfere with your rest. Also, lying down on your left side can help with digestion, especially if you have issues like acid reflux. However, there are some things to avoid. Don't nap too close to bedtime, as it can disrupt your nighttime sleep. Avoid napping between 4 and 7 p.m. for this reason. Also, steer clear of stimulants like coffee or chocolate before your nap, and don't lie down immediately after eating. Wait about 2 hours. Napping after eating can also have some health benefits. It can aid in muscle recovery, especially after workouts, and even help with fat loss by giving your metabolism a boost. Additionally, it can improve your digestion and reduce stress. On the other hand, going to sleep directly after a meal, especially a large one, isn't a good idea. It can prevent your body from burning off those calories and may lead to digestive issues like bloating or heartburn. It's recommended to stop eating at least 3 hours before bedtime to allow your body time to digest the food properly. In summary, napping after eating isn't bad if done correctly. A short nap at the right time can be very beneficial for your mental and physical health, as long as you follow the right guidelines and avoid napping too close to bedtime. So if you feel that post-meal tiredness, a quick and well-timed nap could be just what you need.